Hey everybody, what's up? So today I'm getting the NEMA 1450 outlet installed here in the garage for the Tesla Model Y long range. Here it is. So I'm also waiting to get the mobile connector from Tesla, so that should arrive next week. Once I get everything set up, you will see it in this video. So I should have it installed somewhere here, close to the box, and then I'll have the mobile connector next to it. So give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Oh, hear the doorbell. The guys are here. Alright guys, so here's the outlet installed. I like how they added the wall plate, so it looks very clean. Here's the breaker, 50 amp. So now I just have to wait until next week to get the mobile connector so we can plug it in and start charging at home. Finally, everything just came in from Tesla. I got the cable organizer here and we have the mobile connector. So let's go ahead and unbox these and set it up. So here's everything for the cable organizer. I'll go ahead and get it set up and show you guys what it looks like. Also comes with some instructions here. The screws and everything comes in this little box. Here's the mobile connector. Nice Velcro material here, so I guess it will just stick to the carpet. Let's go ahead and unzip this and check it out. And there we go. There we go. So we got the 515 adapter. So regular household outlet. There it is. This is the 1450. There we go. Now wait to set this up. Here's the mobile connector. It's pretty small. Looks way bigger in the pictures. Maybe just a tad bit bigger than the iPhone Pro Max, 13 Pro Max. There we go. Here's the connection. Nice. 20 feet cord. So let's go ahead and set this up. All right, here's everything all connected. Here's the green lights going, so you know it's charging. Here's the 50 amp breaker. Here's the cable organizer, so everything stays nice and neat and the cord is not hanging on the floor. So I like that. Here it is, all plugged in and charging. Got the green light flashing, so that's how you know it's charging. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what it's doing. Alrighty, now let's check out what it's doing. Said it should take around 6 hours to complete the charge, and that's to get it to 90%. We're at 48% right now. These are all the charge rates and stuff here going on, you can see. So let's tap right here, and as you can see, it said it's adding about 22 miles per hour. So that's fairly reasonable. There we go. Tap it again. There it is. Alright, so I'm pretty glad I got everything all set up and working. No issues at all. The car is charging perfectly. Let me know what you guys are using at home for charging. I went with the mobile connector. I didn't see the need to get the wall connector. So yeah. Now I just got to see what difference it makes in my electricity bill per month, and we'll take it from there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel for more, and drop a comment and let me know what you want to see me cover next on the 2023 Tesla Model Y long range. Alright? Peace out, guys.